Creating a Facebook page is different from creating a Facebook profile or Facebook account. Make sure you are not confused. Creating a Facebook page is an essential step if you want to establish an online presence for your business, personal brand, or project. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners.
Step 1. Log into Facebook. If you don't have a Facebook account, you'll need to create one. Once you have an account, log in by going to facebook.com and entering your email and password.
Step 2. Access the page creation section. On your Facebook homepage, look for the menu button in the top right corner, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a grid of dots. From the drop-down menu, click on Pages. This will take you to the Your Pages section. Next, click on Create New Page.
Step 3. Name your page. You will be asked to provide 1. Page name. This should clearly represent your business, brand, or cause. Keep it short and easy to remember. 2. Category. Choose the category that best fits your page. For instance, if you're creating a business page, you might choose categories like local business or product service. If it's a fan page, you can choose something like community or public figure. 3. Description. Write a short, engaging description of what your page is about. This helps people understand what you offer or represent. Once you fill in these fields, click Create Page.
Step 4. Add profile and cover photos. First, the profile picture. This image will represent your page across Facebook. It should be clear and recognizable like your logo or a personal headshot. Click Add Profile Picture to upload the image. Next, the cover photo. This is a larger image that appears at the top of your page. It can be a photo of your product, a marketing banner, or something visually appealing that represents your brand. Click Add Cover Photo to upload the image. Step 5. Fill in additional page information. First, contact information. Enter details like your phone number, website, and email. This makes it easier for people to reach you. Next, location. If you're a local business, you can add your physical address. Then, hours of operation. If your business has specific hours, set them here. Completing this information is important for credibility and helping people find you easily.
Step 6. Create a username. Your Facebook page's username, also called a handle, allows people to easily find and mention you. It's the @name that will appear in the URL of your page, like facebook.com, your page name. Try to make it short and related to your page. To create your username, first click Create @username below your page name. Then, type your desired username. If it's available, click Create Username.
And step 7, customize your page. Call to action button. Facebook allows you to add a prominent button at the top of your page, like Contact Us, Shop Now, or Learn More. Choose the button that best aligns with your goals and set it up. Page settings. You can customize how people interact with your page. Explore settings for messaging, privacy, notifications, and more. To access these options, click the Settings tab at the top of the page.
Step 9. Invite friends and promote your page. To grow your page, 1. Invite friends. Click on Invite friends to send an invitation to people in your Facebook network to like your page. 2. Share your page. Share the link to your page on your personal Facebook profile, other social media platforms, or in your email newsletters.
Step 10. Maintain and update your page. To keep your page active and engaging. 1. Post regular content. 2. Respond to messages and comments promptly. 3. Monitor your page's performance using the Insights tab, which provides analytics on how people interact with your content.
Final thoughts. Creating and managing a Facebook page is a straightforward process, but consistency is key. Regularly post content, engage with your audience, and update your information as needed to build a strong online presence.